16. Looking elsewhere around the Midwest at 9 a.m., Chicago had light snow and 29. Indianapolis was cloudy and 29. St. Louis was partly sunny and 32. Kansas City was mostly sunny and 26. Des Moines was cloudy and 26. Milwaukee had light snow and 29. And now the regional weather summary. Cloudy skies, gusty northwest winds, and light snow was seen across most of eastern and southeast Illinois through the overnight hours. Elsewhere, mostly cloudy conditions prevailed. Temperatures across the area at 4 a.m. ranged from 23 degrees at Galesburg to 31 degrees at Jacksonville. Wind speeds were 15 to 25 miles an hour, with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. The winter storm system that affected the region was located over central Ohio and continues to move to the southeast. Behind this system, Canadian air will filter into the Midwest today, bringing gusty north to northwest winds and colder temperatures to the region. High temperatures today will range from the middle 20s across the northern portions of Wisconsin and Iowa to the middle 40s across southern Missouri. Overnight low temperature.
This is the National Weather Service in Lincoln. This is a test message. This is a test tornado warning for all of west central Illinois, east central Illinois, central Illinois, and southeast Illinois until 10:15. This is a test message. This test tornado warning initiates the annual Severe Weather Preparedness Test Tornado Drill. Repeat, this is only a drill. This annual drill is part of Severe Weather Preparedness Week in Illinois. During this time, you are encouraged to practice your severe weather emergency plans. This is a test message. Locations taking part in this test drill include West Central, East Central, Central, and Southeast Illinois. This concludes the test tornado drill for Severe Weather Preparedness Week in the state of Illinois.
And now the regional weather summary.